So at the back of the case here, we do have cables for ARGB as well as power. So it's actually connected to a fan hub. So there's an inbuilt fan hub on this case, which is really nice for its existing 3 ARGB fans. So I believe this is the ARGB connector, so I have to route it to the front, connect to the motherboard. And this is a SATA connection to power the fan hub, which will connect it to our power supply later. So from the back of the fan hub that extends, this is connected from the fan hub. I believe it's connecting these 2 daisy chained ARGB fans. So there's this fan header which will connect to one of the system fan headers here. And this is actually cable routed from the back. It's actually for this ARGB fan at the back, and it routes behind, comes from the front, and I'll just connect it to the bottom. If I can route it a little bit nicer, like maybe come from the bottom here and connect to the bottom. Okay, so most of the cables is out of the way.